How to buy an online Steam gift card with an Amazon gift card. Here's how to use your Amazon gift card balance to buy a Steam gift card online. No third-party websites needed. Step 1. Head to Amazon.com and search for Steam gift card digital. Look for listings sold by Amazon or Steam, not random third-party sellers. You want the digital version for instant email delivery. Step 2. Click on your preferred amount like $20, $50, etc. Make sure it says digital code and available for immediate delivery on the listing. Step 3. Click Add to Cart, then proceed to checkout. Step 4. At checkout, Amazon will automatically apply your gift card balance if it's available. If it doesn't, select it manually under Payment Options. Step 5. Review everything and hit place your order. The Steam gift card code will be sent to your email and also available in your Amazon account under digital orders. Step 6. Go to store.steampowered.com/account/redeem wallet code. Log in and enter the code. The funds will be added to your Steam wallet instantly. Just a little heads up, you can't use an Amazon gift card to buy another Amazon gift card, but Steam cards are allowed. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.